What am I even doing? Good morning, Jackson Garage. So this is day 3 and part 3 of the Cyberchopper build. I'm going to be starting work on the motor mount, building that bracket, fixing the box, grinding it down nicely, drilling the holes for the motor, mounting that motor, and drilling the holes for the pulleys. So stay tuned. So this is the start of the motor mount. I'm notorious for not checking before I weld. I'm too excited to weld, even though my welding is terrible. Look at that. That was last year, but still, it's pretty bad. So my motor mount mounts up quite nicely. Basically sits there. I'm going to mark out the holes, and once the holes are drilled, then I'm going to weld that on there. Once that's on there, then I'm going to cut the shaft, do a little bit of I'm going to take down the shaft a bit. I'm going to have to use an angle grinder, so that's going to be quite, I think that'll be an interesting challenge to try and get the shaft down to this size. That's because that bearing in there keeps this shaft stable, because this is on a gearbox. So I need that bearing on the outside, unfortunately. I don't want to rely on the belts just pulling against the bearing on the inside of this gearbox. So there I've marked out the holes for the motor. I'm going to just drill those. Probably slightly oversized so that the bolts fit nicely. So what I've worked out, it's 11 from that edge back, so we can cut that off. I've measured from the edge of this, which is the edge of the motor, all the way to that line there is 11 to the middle of the tire, or the edge of the tire to the middle of the frame. So then I cut this out and this thing gets welded to the frame. So I'm just cut out this semicircle here and on the other side. This motor has been standing out in the rain for about a year. I just turned it upside down to get to the mounting holes and it seems to be bleeding. Oopsies. I'm going to remove the wheel now so that I can measure the holes for the pulley, and then I can weld in the brackets here for the motor. So measuring the distance for the holes, this is a very standard German small car PCD, so that's 100mm PCD. So I need to translate that onto here. So as I measured on the wheel, that is 72. Good, so it's PCD of 100. So there's my template for drilling the holes into the pulley. I've decided to do 3 holes. There's a nice little round cut out of my mount. It's busy raining on my tin roof. That's okay, we carry on. Look at that, that's basically perfect. That's nice. Okay, so this is my genuine reaction after seeing that damn thing run for the first time. It's so post-apocalyptic. Yes, I'm so pleased. It's ridiculous. What am I even doing? Alright, that's pretty cool. Okay, more to come.